Thank you, Nick. Good afternoon to my friends in India and a very good evening to Australia. I shall start by appreciating you all for taking time out of your schedules and joining us for this webinar. I also thank everyone associated with the Australian government, Pulse Australia, Australia-India Business Exchange, and IPGA for planning and arranging the platform for all of us to exchange our views. When I started my research on the relationship between Australia and India, the first 50 Google search results were only about cricket. And soon I realized how wonderful it has been to witness one of the most amazing rivalries in our favorite game over the last few decades. But what doesn't get its due share of headlines is the political, economic, and trade relationship that both the countries have enjoyed over the years. India boasts of one of the largest and fastest growing expat population in Australia. And in turn, India always features amongst the top 10 trading partners and export markets for Australia. In pulses too, the relationship is of utmost importance, with India constantly needing supplies of chickpeas, lentils, and of late some small quantities of mung beans and faba beans is also finding its way into the Indian market. I would request Pramod to share a slide of India-Australia trade, which will give a fair view on how the business is between the two countries. So if we look at the slide, lentils share on an average has been between 10 to 15% over the last 7-8 years, except in 2017-18 when it shot up to 30% due to record lentils crop in Australia. In chickpeas, India used to import 80 to 90% of requirement from Australia until December 2017, after which it has reduced almost to zero due to 66% import duty, thereby making imports unviable into India. However, 2021 could be interesting as we are seeing all pulses trading above the minimum support price, and after 4 years, government stocks are at a low than what they have been previously. This is basically coming from the point that we definitely have had issues in our production of pulses in the last Kharif and Rabi season, which led to the prices going to above MSP and to government stocks dwindling to a 3 to 4 year low. Therefore, the import policy going forward will give further direction towards the viability of the trade from Australia.